Let's say we want to multiply 543 by 11. Now, there are three rules here. Rule number one is bring down this 3 and then the rightmost digit of the multiplicand, bring down that. So this will be the rightmost digit of the answer. And rule number 2 is we add each digit to its neighbor. So when we bring down this and then we are here, neighbor is always on the right. So 4 plus 3 is 7. We write 7 and then we move one digit at a time. We are here. So 5 plus its neighbor 4 is 9. And rule number 3 is we bring down the last digit as it is. So we have 5 here. That's the answer, 5973. Now, it doesn't matter how long the numbers are. Rule 1 is bring down the rightmost digit as it is. So we have 2 here in the answer. Then rule number 2 is we keep moving one digit at a time and the rule is add to its neighbor. So we are at 4, add to its neighbor is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then now we are here, add to its neighbor, it's 7. We are here at number 1, add to its digit, 3 is 1 plus 3 is 4. And now we are here at 7, add to its digit, its neighbor, 7 plus 1 is 8. And then we are here and add to its neighbor, that is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Now the last rule, the third rule is bring down the leftmost digit as it is. So our answer is 2984762. Now here we should note something, that each digit is being used 2 times, one as a number and one as the neighbor. Let me show you by writing it down separately. Let's say we are doing 271,342 times 11, and let me write it again, times 11. So let's look at this one. Now when we are here at 1, this 1 is being used as the number and we add it to its neighbor and we write 4 here below 1. But when we are here at number 7, digit 7, this same 1 is being used as the neighbor. So 7 plus this 1 becomes 8 and we write it here. Now we can use this information to our benefit. How? Let's see. We can make one big rule out of the 3 rules, and the rule is only this. Let me write it. Add the neighbor. I hope the spellings are correct, but if they are not, just forgive me. I am not English guy. Okay, so first let's do a small one, right? Let's say we have exactly same number, 543 times 11. So we are going to add the neighbor, that's it. So when we are at this number 3, adding the neighbor is, there is nothing on the right, so 3 plus nothing is still 3. Then we are here at 4, add the neighbor, 4 plus 3 is 7. Before that, I should tell you that in our mind or physically we can put 0 here on the left side of the multiplicand, and I'll show you in a bit how this benefits our rule. And then we are at number 5 here, and adding the neighbor gives us 9, and then we are at 0 and adding the neighbor will give us 5. Now we got the same answer, and this last 0 took care of the third rule, that we have to bring this 5 as it is here. So 4, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3 times 11. Do it yourself, pause the video, and then we'll do it together. And let me put 0 here. You can consider putting 0 here, or you can just think in your mind that there is 0 here to carry out the multiplication. 3 added to neighbor is still 3. Now this 6 added to 3 is 9. 2 added to 6 is 8. This 4 added to this 2 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. And this 4 plus 1 is again 5. Then this 0 plus 4 is 4. And that is our answer. 4,556,893. And sometimes there are carries also. So let me put it a little above. And let's say we have 2, 5, 7, 1 times 11. Bringing 1 down, sorry, not bringing 1, adding 1 to its neighbor is still 1. And 7 plus 1 is 8. But when we do 5 plus 7, it's 12. So we put only 2 and put a dot here, that's it. Then we move on as it is. So 2 plus 5 is 7 plus this dot is 8. And there is 0 here in our mind. 0 plus 2 is 2. And that's our answer, 28281. Add 4 to its neighbor. It's still 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 7 plus 6 is 13. So we'll write 3 and dot. Then 1 plus 7 is 8 plus this dot is 9. Then this 5 plus 1 is 6. And we have 0 here in our mind. So 0 plus 5 is 5. And that's our answer. 5,693,864. And for the completion of this lesson, let me tell you, sometimes on the left, there will be 10, like numbers like this 9, 8, 8, 4, 3, let's say, times 11. If I put 0 here and we do as it is, 3 plus nothing is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 4 is dot 2, and then 8 plus 8 is 16, and this dot will make it 17. So we'll put dot 7, and then 9 plus 8 is 17 plus this dot will make it 18. So we'll put dot 8, and 0 plus 9 is 9 plus this dot will make it 10, and we'll put 10 as it is. So that's our answer, 1087273.